In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Shazam app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install this app but you can't because of this or any other related error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix this, you need to go to your Google Play Store app and or App Store if you're on iPhone, and from here, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail or Apple ID before you search for your app. However, if you're unable to install your app while logged in, then proceed and tap on your profile icon and then scroll down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences option, and here go to app download preference. You can see we have three options. Choose the first option over any network. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK, and now this should have fixed your problem. But should this not fix your problem, then the problem might be with Google Play Store. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store by going to its app info page. You can do that by going to settings, and then from settings, look for apps, and under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From here, look for Google Play Store, and if you tap on it, you can see we are on the app info page. First, go to force stop to stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache. I'll confirm by OK. Once you're done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to Google Play Store and activate search, so I'll just search for Shazam now and see if I'll be able to download. Now here, if I tap on install, now you should be able to download and install Shazam app without any issue. And as you can see, now I'm able to download this app. However, should you still have a challenge at this point, then check and ensure that you have enough space on your phone. If you don't, free app space by deleting unwanted apps or unused apps or files on your phone. So that's how you can fix can't install Shazam app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.